how to export or download OneNote notebooks. In this video, I'll show you how to export or download OneNote notebooks. So to get started, go ahead and open the OneNote app on your device. If you have that on your device, you can also do this on OneNote web if you prefer to do that there. And then make sure to sign into your account and then go ahead and select a notebook that you want to export. So select a notebook from the Notebooks tab, and then from here, click on the File button at the top left, and then go ahead and click on Export under this. And then as you can see, to export notebook, select notebook from here, and then select the format that you want to use for exporting notebook. So for example, you want to export this notebook as a PDF, simply select the PDF from here and then click on this export button to start exporting your notebook. So in here, you can go ahead and name this notebook depending on your preference, and then click on save to save this on your local device. And that is how you can basically export or download OneNote notebooks.